Hello everyone. If you want to send a PDF to someone for signature, you can easily do it using the Request e-Signature feature in Adobe Acrobat. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application from your computer. Once you land on the home page, you can either create a new file or just open the prior project from the recent section. Once the PDF page opens, make sure to look at the left screen where you will see different options within the All To section. Within the option, find the Request e-Signature, then move the cursor towards it and click on it. When you click it, a new screen will open. On the left side, you will see the information about the e-signature, while on the right side, there is a field where you need to add the recipient name or email address. Make sure that you enter a valid email or name. Once you add the recipient, you will see the PDF details along with an option called More Options below. Tap on More Options. This will open a screen with 3 steps. The step 1 is Add. Here you can add more recipients if you want, as well as add files. And do not forget to write a message in the message field for your recipient. After filling everything, tap Next. Now it will open the Prepare screen. Make sure to move your cursors towards the area where you want your recipient to sign or fill the details. Click on that spot and you will see options like text field, signature, or the 3 dotted icons for many field types. Choose the field that you want and place it properly. Once everything is set up, tap on the send button on the left side of the screen. Please make sure to wait a few moments while the document is being sent. After it's successfully sent, you will receive a confirmation message saying that the PDF has been sent to the recipient for the signature, and that's how you can request signature using the Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.